Hi there everyone, this is Richard Benitez with Unique TV Co. Today I will show you how to make a bird cage using PVC, wire mesh, and some rebars. We will fabricate some rebars so that we can make a rectangular size, and that cage will be put under the sampalo tree. I will show you this video so that you can get some idea how to make your own bird cage. So stay tuned.
So as can you see, we're already done making the steel case for bird cage. The size of this cage is 1 meter length and 0.5 width, and we put some steel gate. Later we will be putting some wire mesh all over the cages. Then we put some scrap PVC inside the cage and some roots so that the bird can lay some eggs. And now it's time to put some wire mesh all over the cage. And after this, we will show you the finished product after we hang it under that sampalok tree with the bird inside. Okay. So guys, this is the tamarind tree, but also known as sampalok tree in the Philippines. It's a big tree. So guys, the moment that we're all waiting for, we almost finished dressing up the cage. We put all the wire mesh all over the part of the cage, and then we hung it under the tamarind tree. As you can see, it's almost done, and we put only one bird inside of it to test if she like it. Hey, doing partner? Hi, doing lovebird? Hey, do you love your cage? Yes, you're welcome. Now you have new home under the tree. And then we put some bird seeds bowl inside of it. There's a bird seed inside, and we'll put some bird pool. Now, as we observe, the bird is secure and okay. Later on, we put all the other birds inside so that this lovebird will be feel happier with all his friends inside the cage under the tree.
So guys, this is all for now. I have to end this video to say thank you to all my subscribers, and those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, including the like, and share this video. So this is Richard with Unique Tibico. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.